great disciplines. Let me begin by telling you how important this event is and how proud it makes us at the Bringing Europeans Together Association to be able to guide and cooperate with our peers here in Belgrade. This initiative, called Model European Union, started a couple of years ago somewhere in Germany, and its aims were to provide young people from all across the continent and even further beyond with opportunities and means to discover the founding principles behind Europe. The founding principles, which define us as individuals and as Europeans, are the ones perpetuated at these events. 3 great days lie ahead of you, 3 days in which you will be engaged in the European decision-making process, where you will start learning by doing, where you will share values and work together. Also, great friendships will be forged. You will learn the means of cooperation at European level, the greatness of solidarity and togetherness. For us, it is remarkable that only 4 years from when the first Model European Union took place in Strasbourg, the concept started to grow, develop, and spark interest in students from all over Europe. What's even more noticeable is that in times like these, when Europe struggles with the turmoil of identity, economic and financial crisis, the Serbian youth strives towards European values. We are particularly proud that this simulation here in Belgrade is not only one of the first simulations in the region, the first in Serbia, but also the first one to be organized with the help of our association. I would like thus to congratulate the Beograd Student Association for their enthusiasm, effort, and willingness to focus on organizing such an event. And to finally conclude my speech, I shall do so with a quote. An idea not coupled with action will never get any bigger than the brain cell it occupied. Our colleagues here in Belgrade coupled the idea with action very well, and by doing so, they have managed to create the event where we all gather today and to put these venues and rooms at our disposal. Thank you very much. Hvala lepo.